We're excited to continue our tutorial on Event Yab, focusing on the process of defining a role for ticket checkers and assigning it to individuals. First, make sure you're logged into your Event Yab account. Navigate to the top menu on the Event Yab homepage and click on Events. From the drop-down menu, select Define Your Roles. You'll be directed to the Role Management page. To define a new role, click on the Create New Role button. Enter a name for the role that accurately represents the responsibilities and access rights for ticket checkers. For example, you can name it Ticket Checker or Check-in Personnel. Next, select the appropriate permissions for the ticket checker role, such as check-in. If necessary, you can also grant additional permissions, such as guest list, to provide access to attendee information. Once you've set the desired permissions, click on Save to create the ticket checker role. Now that you've defined the role, let's assign it to individuals who will be performing the ticket checking tasks. Go back to the Events page and select the event you want to manage. On the Events View Event page, click on Controls and choose Assign Roles from the drop-down menu. You'll be directed to the Assign Roles page. To assign the ticket checker role, click on Assign New Role. Enter the email address of the person you want to assign as a ticket checker. Make sure the email is associated with an existing Event Yab account. Next, select the ticket checker role from the drop-down menu. This will be the role you defined specifically for ticket checkers in the previous steps. Once you've entered the email and selected the role, click on Save to assign the ticket checker role to the individual. Now, the assigned ticket checker will have the necessary access and permissions to perform check-in functions for the event. But how do they actually do the check-in process? It's simple. Just download our mobile app called Event Yab Organizer from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once you've logged into the app, you'll see the event details on the home page. In the app, you'll find a dedicated check-in option for the event. By clicking on Check-in, your mobile camera will be activated. All you need to do is scan the QR codes on the tickets using your mobile camera, and the check-in process will be completed automatically. Using the Event Yab Organizer mobile app streamlines the check-in process, making it quick and efficient for your ticket checkers. That's it. You've learned how to define a role for ticket checkers and assign it to individuals in Event Yab. Plus, now you know how to utilize the Event Yab Organizer mobile app for seamless check-in processes. This feature ensures smooth check-ins and efficient event management. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy event planning!